Hey y'all, welcome back for another video. My name is Natara and today's video is going to be an after dark clean with me. Today I'm going to be in the kitchen and getting it all done. As you can see right here by the overview, the kitchen is in need of a cleaning. We have like 3 trash bags of trash that need to be taken out, but we did just get back from grocery shopping, so we do have a lot of trash that we need to take out. Also, we have dishes in the sink, the counters. As you can see, those vacuums right there, I picked those vacuums up from Walmart. They were $15 and there is 2 in a pack. And yeah, you guys, we're gonna get in here, get everything all cleaned up. The first thing we're gonna do is start off by putting up the dishes that's in the drying rack, and then we will move on to something else.
I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on. Trouble in your mind, babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be, I wanna give our love.
Now that all of the dishes is put away, we're going to begin by washing the dishes that's in the sink. It's not that many dishes, but I did want to go ahead and get those taken care of.
If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen.
For anyone who is new, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Natara, and over here I like to do cooking, cleaning, organizing, and anything that pertains to mom life. So if there's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's a gun and baby, you're my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you.
Now that I have all of the dishes clean, I'm going to begin by cleaning the sink out. I'm using the Scrub Daddy as well as some Ajax dish detergent to clean the sink.
Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I took another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses.
If you are here and have made it to the halfway point of this video, please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And also, you guys, leave me some brooms down in the comment section. Okay, you guys, now I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that everything is off of the counters and placed in their proper places. These vacuums are at Walmart on the clearance rack, so if you're in need of a hand vacuum for your stairs or just for your car, I think that these will be a good, a good deal to get, because you get 2 in 1.
And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange.
Now I'm just going to take this Lysol spray. You guys, I have forgot what the scent is, but it smells so good. I think it's the grapefruit scent, but I picked it up from the Family Dollar store, I think, or Dollar Tree, one or the other. But I really love this stuff. It smells so good and it cleans so well.
I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure from you, a little closure, babe. Oh, a little closer, little closer from you. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure from you.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do.
Now I'm just going to take the broom and sweep the floor. I did not mop the floor this day. I will be mopping the floor in another video. So yeah, you guys, we are just about nearing the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. I really do appreciate you guys. You always comes back whenever I post, or whenever I'm not here posting. You always checks in on us, so we really do appreciate that. But yes, you guys, this is almost the end of the video, and I'm just gonna let the video finish playing here. And I hope you guys was motivated by this video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.
Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to do, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind.